Hello guys, I don't show with number 4 video on secrets wey you no supposed to allow your woman know if you want to maintain her. This number 4 secret wey you no supposed to allow your girlfriend, your woman, your fiancé know na im be movement. You know say women dey very intelligent. Yes, and women as they intelligent, their brain dey work pass her own. I swear to God. The moment when she don't deal with you, she dey hang out with you, she just dey read your mindset, she just dey read in advance. Yes, you dey read the O level, she in a jam, she dey read. I swear. Now, as a guy, men dey do mistake, dem go dey tell women how their real location, their real movement dey be. Man go tell him girl out of love, or him fiancé or a woman out of love. Can you imagine? Babe, I dey go Mr. Biggs. And if you and na that Mr. Biggs he could go. And if you block am there, she go see am there. As a guy, man, you're not allowed to allow your woman know your movement. I tell you, if you dey go Abuja, discharge am say you dey go Lagos. Discharge am, tell am say you dey go Lagos. How she go know your movement? That's one and that secret will be say the moment she don't know, she know where to block you. Now take for example now. Let us say you dey stream some babes before now. Okay. And then this your baby suspect you. Maybe so. So now one day you go arrange with one of the baby I mean for one eatery. Now, as you want to start this your babe now, you come and say, look, my dear, I just work out small, I just go get us some drinks and eateries, I'll come back. Now you come out, she follow you. Since you don't do she don't see you say as you be biscuit now, you be mumu now, she follow you. You follow you for back, pam pam pam, pam pam pam, you enter eatery. Pam pam pam, you organize something there. Pam pam pam, you and the babe, they screen the babe. That's what this one just show. Catch you red-handed. How you go take explain am? How you go take explain am to her? Now, maybe na mad girl she broke bottle for there, carry bottle, one chook person, they want chook you, one chook her. She say, yo, I don't gas you, don't fuck up. And I believe if this can't happen, she go leave you. But if she don't know your movement, you tell her, say, babe, I dey go eat 3. I mean, why not be 3 you go? Na yeah mala you go. She no go fit look at you. And you go there, arrange your thing, screen your babe, arrange her, come back home, nobody go know. Letting your girlfriend, women, fiancé to know your movement, it dey kill guys. I beg, if you fit keep the secret of movement from your woman, I promise you, you go maintain her as long as you want. And she go see you as very, very honest. I tell you, she no go block, she no go try you. Because she believes say your head sharp. So, this one, then be the number 4 secret. Why you feel maintain am to keep am away from your girlfriend. Yes. Number 4 secret that you're not supposed to allow your man know. If you want to maintain her for as long as you want. My name na Big Boss.